my name is Delene. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing and it's in this thing here. I already opened it up. I'm going to rush through opening it. So here you go. This is one of the pieces that I got. Besides this one, I did do a video on this already, and I have this little cute bag charm attached to this piece. I thought this piece was one of the prettiest pieces that Louis Vuitton had made for Christmas so far that I've seen, and I just love doves. I don't know if that's what it is, and the pink on the Dame d'Azur to me just stands out, and because of that, I had to get this piece. And I also got this piece because I wanted something, a little something on my Neverfull Dame d'Azur bag. So let me go ahead and put this on my bag and see what it looks like. I have not tested that out yet, so let's go ahead and see. What? Now don't tell me that's not cute. Oh my goodness. I love that. And you know what? As new as this piece is, it doesn't look much difference in color with this. And I know this bag is 2.5, I think, years old or something like that. I don't really remember. I haven't looked at the receipt. But how cute is that? I am so excited with this new Christmas piece this year, and I am so loving it. I was hoping that they made this print, this on the zippy coin, the coin purse, not the coin purse, the round one. I was hoping that when I saw that piece that it was gonna be on the little round coin one, because I would have so bought that. I am waiting for something that I really like on the coin. I don't mind the plain one at all, but I figured might as well wait for something that I really like on there. So I'm so excited, and let me go ahead and show you. In my other video I was talking about some boots that I had purchased that was kind of crazy for me. Let me go ahead and show you them on, what it looks like on. Here we go. There's my boots. I don't know if you can see it on this dark mat here. There. I don't know, but I'm loving it. I think it's so pretty. This is not what I would be wearing out. I actually would be wearing this sweater with the boots so it'll look a little bit better. So now that looks a little bit nicer. So, I got my sweater on backwards. Anyways, here we go. Here I am trying to model this sweater, and it is completely backwards. This sweater is from Ann Taylor Loft. I got these jeans from H&M and my cheetah boots from Saks. So anyways, thank you guys for watching my video. I am so excited about my two beautiful pieces that I had to talk about it. I love it so much, and love my boots, enjoying it. And you guys have a wonderful day, and God bless you. And please subscribe to my channel. Please give me a big thumbs up and click on that bell for notification. And have a wonderful day, and God bless. Bye.